Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will be making seafood rice. So you want to just start melting your garlic butter. I'll put the description down the bottom. This is some homemade garlic butter. Then you want to add our seafood. I'm just going to add the shrimp and the scallops. I'm going to use some large ones and some medium. You want to just cook it for about 2 minutes. Now you want to just take them out. Let's take this out and start preparing the vegetables and the rice. In the same pan, you want to take your olive oil, saute the garlic, peppers and onions. You want to saute your peppers, your onion, and your garlic for 30 seconds. This seafood rice is just a one pot thing and it's so good. You want to add some tomato paste. Seconds. You want to add 1 cube get you some Sazon with no MSG. That's going to make your rice yellow. Add some water. And then we're going to add our rice as well. Stir it up. You want to rinse your rice. Get all the starch off. I'm using jasmine rice. So now you want to put the lid on it, and that's to go, and let it steam up. Okay, now you make sure you mix your seafood in before the rice get done. I did that off camera, but this is how everything turned out. It looks so beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Can't have seafood rice without the lobster. There you go.